Hi everyone, my name is Katie and I work for howtobecome.com. Welcome to this video for Are you looking to get back into studying? Okay, so let's get started. So whether you have simply taken a break from education or you've decided to pursue other activities, if you are looking to get back into studying, this can be a difficult task. Getting back into the swing of strict deadlines, lots of research, long-lasting lectures and endless late nights writing your essays, that you need to fully prepare both yourself and your mindset. And in this video, we have listed a few top tips that we think will really help you to prepare yourselves if you are or thinking about getting back into studying. So first of all is preparation. So if it's been a long time since you last studied, chances are the education system may be somewhat different to what you remember. Knowing what to expect with regards to returning to studying will really help ease you into this transition. If you are topping up on a previous degree, it may be wise to refresh your memory with regards to what you were taught. If you are someone who is thinking of studying a brand new course, then you should do your utmost to find out as much information as you can about the course and what to expect. A useful place to start looking is the university's website. Generally, courses will be outlined online and this will detail course modules and a summary of what you can expect. So it's a good idea to try and get hold of the reading list prior to commencing your course. So this will allow you to begin reading up on the subject, thus preparing your mindset for what's to come. The next tip for you is time management. So prioritising your workload over social activities is no easy task, and a lot of students fail to think about this. So when you arrive at university, you should have at the forefront of your mind that you are there to learn. Of course, we're not saying that you cannot go out and socialise with your friends. We are merely saying that you should focus your time, especially at the early stages of getting back into studying, trying to maintain a solid learning routine. My next tip is there will be others like you. So there will be many other students in the same position as you. Either they took a break to go travelling or to start work, but ultimately their aims were to return to education at some point. Chances are you will not be the only student on campus who has taken a break from the educational system. More so, other students may have taken a long break from education than yourself, so it's important that you try to get to know other people on a personal level. Knowing someone that has been through the same process as you will really help to calm those initial nerves. So if you're still struggling, education is not for everyone. If you are really struggling with getting back into the swing of things, then you may need to reevaluate your choices. Is university really for you? Am I at university for the right reasons? These are just a couple of questions that you should be asking yourself if you're struggling with returning to your studies. There are a huge number of networks and services offered to you during your time at university. Therefore, if you're struggling to get back into learning, then you should seek some advice from the networks provided to you by the university. Take it upon yourself to start a group with some of the people studying the same course. That way, you can make friends on the course and help each other out. So extra resources. So here at How to Become, we have a whole range of educational resources to help you with your studies. Below we have included a few images of some of the books that may be beneficial to you. So for more information on these guides, you can search these on Amazon. Okay everyone, so that's it from me on getting back into your studies. Hopefully I have given you some sort of tips and advice on how to go about this. If you do have any specific questions, then just drop me a message below the video and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Or if you do have any experience about going back to studying, then feel free to leave those comments because they will really help people who are watching this video. So that's it from me everyone. Thanks for watching and I wish you all the very best of luck.